Conductor shot on HWT Road. Culprits lead police on high-speed chase. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A 26-year-old bus conductor was shot and injured sometime after 11 a.m. on Wednesday morning at a section of HWT Road in St. Andrew, impacting the flow of traffic on the main thoroughfare for several hours. The condition of the bus conductor is unknown up to the publication of this report. The police told reporters that the conductor was on a bus traveling along HWT Road when, on getting into the vicinity of National Banking Company, a Probox motor car with occupants on board approached the bus. The occupants opened fire, hitting the conductor. The police arrived on the scene quickly enough to pursue the Probox motor car. The driver of the vehicle took the police on a chase through several communities in the Maxfield Park Avenue area, where the driver was forced to stop on Ransford Avenue. The occupants fled the motor vehicle and escaped on foot. The Probox motor car was seized by the police for a forensic examination and collection of evidence to successfully conclude the investigation. A motive has not yet been established for the shooting. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.